want to show you the dumbest thing I've ever seen. So there's a swing set right here, and I had to use one of these little poles for a hook because, and I already wheeled them up. All right, so these right here, so it has this little thing right here you gotta hook on and you gotta spin it and it slowly rises up. I recommend you charge extra for this because that was a nightmare because it's got two of them. So it comes all the way down. And so this is what I was using. But as you can see how it's got the hook on it? Look how it takes forever if you wanna wheel these up. And it's just not fun to do. So I recommend you charge extra for that because this was a pain in the butt. And then you gotta wheel them back down. Just on these, I think it's because we're at a golf course and maybe it protects it from a golf ball hitting, but that was really, really annoying. So this job has 22 windows, but we're gonna charge extra for having to roll up those blinds. And now I'm gonna go wash the screens and wash the windows. I'm gonna make a couple different videos at this job, but mainly this is gonna be, hold on, I'll show you how I added it up because I just counted all the windows when I was grabbing the screens. This is a realtor friend of mine. It's really good to get in good with a realtor, a good one, because they can be a good source for you. All right, so let's get these screens. Okay, cool. It's a really beautiful house in the Oasis in Menifee. All right. I'm just gonna double check all the windows and make sure I counted right. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3. We got one in the garage. 4, 5. The door, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, I count sliders as 2, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So there's 23 windows. The way I calculate that, I do 23 times 15, and that includes inside, outside, tracks cleaned, screens washed. These tracks are really bad. These windows are really bad. So they're $15 a window. So they're at $345 with inside, outside, tracks and screens clean. I'll probably charge an additional 50 bucks for rolling these things up and down because it's probably gonna take me another 30 to 45 minutes to roll all 3 of these back down. So I got to charge for that, so plus 50 bucks. A lot of times I'll charge a first time clean, which is 50 bucks. But because this is my realtor friend, I'm not gonna do that because he's already sent me a couple jobs the past couple weeks. So I'll waive that for the customer. I'll wash the garage door for free because of the liability. And when I say the liability, one of my videos, a guy asked me, I'm talking about these things. I don't like popping these out. And if you charge somebody to do it, they want you to pop them out. And these would probably be okay. But some of the older houses, they're just so brittle. And a lot of times they'll have a crack in the window up here or something, and then they try to blame you for it. So I don't recommend you charging for washing the garage door just because of that liability that I've ran into. But that's how we do a price quote. I hope y'all enjoyed. That's gonna be all for this video. And then I'm gonna do another video washing the screens and cleaning the windows. This is the new Tucker hose and reel that I just got. I really love it. I think it's gonna save us some time. just being able to hook straight in and straight up to this, and then our water fed pole. I got some new gear coming, so I can't wait to show you that. I hope you all enjoyed the video on how to price. You can charge more if the tracks are really bad. You can charge more if you have hard water on the windows, but this is just going to be a wash and clean. It's a vacant house, they're moving out and they're selling, so that's why we're doing the windows. So that's how you do a price quote, or how we do it. Any questions would be accepted. Any feedback would be great. If you have a window cleaning company or a window cleaning YouTube, just comment your channel link and I will subscribe to you. That's gonna be all for this video. We'll see y'all on the next video. Peace out.